In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix screen tearing and flickering while playing games in Windows 10. First, right-click, Display Settings, then select your screen display. And then here, you will select whatever is recommended. So if it says 100% is recommended, then select it. And then here, you'll do the same. Just select the recommended option. After that, go to Advanced Display. And then here you'll see the hertz, so make sure you select whatever, like keep it at the default setting, so don't change this. So if you have like altered this, make sure you have this whatever it was already set to. And if it's like still causing issues, then try changing it and then see whatever works, just keep it at whatever it works with. And then obviously you need to do the same thing with the other screen as well. Now down here you will see something like advanced display. So if you don't see it here, you just go to graphics. So go to graphics settings. Here make sure you enable hardware accelerated. And then over here you need to find your game. So if you have the game and you don't see it here, then you have to add it from here. Find the game folder and then select the .exe folder and then click add, and it will look something like this. And then you will just make sure you select the high performance option and then enable this option. Now here you want to go and just close this and go to device manager. So you need to check if there's any updates for your display driver, for your graphics cards. So if there is, you can update it from here, or if you have like a software like NVIDIA app, you could update it from the NVIDIA app as well. As you can see, if you go to drivers, you'll be able to update if there is an update. And once you do this, this should fix your issue.